welcome back to my channel. I'm Mommy. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god guys, thank you so much for always coming back to check out my videos, watch my videos. You guys are the realest MVP. I'll be introducing to you a product. Well, when people do this introduction, I'm sure they give you like a full product, but I have used to make sure that the product is legit. So this is the Skintivity Hydrating and Soothing Micellar Water, guys. So I know I've never actually done a video of me taking off my makeup on YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you one of the methods I use to take off my makeup, but this time I'll be using the micellar water. So guys, as you all know, micellar water helps clean out the dirt in your face, and also you can always use it to take off your makeup. I've been using this for a bit, as you can tell. Sometimes I use micellar water to take off my makeup, some other times I use like a cleansing balm, but today I'm going to show you how to use the micellar water to take off your makeup. And I'll be using Skintivity Hydrating and Soothing Micellar Water with 10% niacinamide. It's suitable for all skin and restores skin's natural pH. So guys, I'm going to be using this to take off my entire face. So if you want to see how I do this, keep watching. Let's get started. You can either use a cotton pad. I feel like I use so many cotton pads, so I'm still using this, a cleansing sponge. So all I do is I take the micellar water and I just drench this guy in it. When I feel like I've used enough, I'm just gonna go into my face. But before then, let's take off the lashes. Do you know removing your lashes like this is not good? If you didn't know, I'm telling you now, because it rips out your hair and then it just irritates your skin around your eye, and obviously that's a very sensitive part of your face. So what I do is I go into a cotton pad because it's tiny, or you can use a cotton bud, but I use a cotton pad, and then I just close my eye, go back and forth with it. Then the lash glue tends to just leave, and then your lash will just fall out like that. I'm just gonna do the same thing for this eye. Go back and forth carefully. Lash just falls out. Now that I'm done with that, so let's get into the face cleaning. Remember, I soaked this in micellar water. Guys, can you see? Can you see that? See? See? Can you see the difference? See, this is just one side. So guys, I've taken out my makeup and one of my contact lenses has fallen out, so I'm just gonna do a test to see how clean my face is. The stain is so minimal, so I'm just gonna go and wash up my face and I'm good to go. And I'm just going to tell you some of the benefits of why I use a micellar water to cleanse my skin before and after my makeup. Micellar water is very hydrating, so when you use it hydrates your skin. And when it comes to your skin, you have to make sure that your skin is very hydrated, and it's made of purified water, no alcohol whatsoever. And micellar water helps to cleanse your skin. That's very important. Something that cleanses your skin and hydrates your skin. I feel like that's one of the reasons why I love micellar water. I have a lot of micellar water from different brands, and I'll say this is one of my favorites. Why? Because it has niacinamide, and you know something about me, I have a lot of things to take care of my face. For a product to have niacinamide in it, for me, it's a plus. It's recommended by dermatologists and makeup gurus, and it's good for every skin. When I see a product that is good for every skin, I'm gonna jump on it. Why? Because for a product to be good for oily, combination, and dry skin, guys, it's a win. When cleaning your skin with a cotton pad, obviously it helps to clean out dirt from pores, so it helps to minimize the amount of pimples you will get. So guys, this is the end of the video. Let me go and wash my face. While you're already here, why don't you check out my other videos? I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.